This elegant design combines the classic French manicure with romantic decorative elements. The square nail shape combined with gold hearts creates a stylish look. This manicure is perfect for those who love dogs and style at the same time. It will be a striking accent to your look. A pattern of single white zigzag lines. This design looks modern and elegant, creating a soft geometric play effect on the nails. Here we see nails coated with gel polish with shimmering effect in delicate pastel shades, with emphasis on a soft and elegant color scheme. The main nail color is rich coral. Two nails are painted orange with black branching patterns and yellow accents in the form of small details. The most important thing in nail photo shoot to highlight the beauty and uniqueness of your manicure, while maintaining a natural professional look. The nails are decorated with an exquisite design. Thin black branches with small orange and red berries are depicted on a light background, giving the nails volume and originality. This design looks fresh and elegant, combining natural shades of green with a play of polka dots, making it current and fashionable. A vibrant and fantastic design inspired by space and the universe. The base of the nails is done in dark shades such as deep blue, black and purple with a glitter effect. This manicure looks sophisticated and stylish, perfect for special occasions or evening outings. For bold and daring women, long, pointed nails adorned with a striking red gradient smoothly transition from a such shade at the same to a brighter, lighter hue at the tips. Pastel shades remain a key trend for creating a feminine look. They are versatile, elegant, and suitable for any occasion. The centerpiece is decorative embellishment of thin gold, creating a droplet effect. This design is exquisite and luxurious, highlighting the wearer's individuality and style. This is a gentle pedicure. Leopard print manicure that adds sophistication and length to nails. The manicure looks bright, stylish and attracts attention thanks to the contrast of dark and bright shades as well as shimmering decorative elements. Cherry designs have become one of the hottest nail art trends. This fruity motif is perfect for the summer season. Nail art, bright, metallic or mirror pieces are placed on the nails, creating a broken glass or mosaic effect. Dark rose nails. The manicure is done in deep, rich shades of burgundy or dark purple. It looks so feminine and fashionable. Sky blue is the main color reminiscent of the endless sea. It's not only a summer choice, but also a versatile design suitable for any season. A very elegant and stylish manicure with long nails in a coffin ballerina shape. The tips feature a silver or mirror French manicure, embellished with shimmering or metallic elements.